A collection is a list of items or outfits. It could be a packing list, a capsule collection, or even a wish list. With Indyx, we allow you to keep track of all of those things in one place. Across top of the screen, we have folders. We have default folders such as packing, capsule, and wish list for you. You can also add your own folder by pressing the plus button. You can name the folder and choose a folder color. Once you're in the folder, you can press the bottom plus button and actually create your collection. You can choose a name, choose a folder, and also add a cover image. For both packing and capsule list, you can pull item from your existing wardrobe or add a new item. When you go to outfits, it's the same thing. You can actually pull an existing outfit that you've already created, or you can actually create a brand new outfit. It will automatically be assigned to these lists. The wish list functionality is slightly different in the sense that a wish list is an item that you don't really own just yet. So whatever you upload here is actually self-contained in that list. And later on, once you make a purchase, you can actually pull that item into your wardrobe. I'll be making separate videos about the packing list and the wish list, and I will link them below.